Hello students, how are you all? Here we are meeting for the first time for the virtual class of Science and Technology. You all know that Science and Technology is divided into two sections, Science 1 and Science 2. Here we are going to see Science and Technology Part 2. According to a monthly planning given to you all, we are going to start Science and Technology Part 2, Lesson number 9, Social Health. Let's begin. You all know that we all are locked down in our houses from last 2 months because of COVID-19 pandemic. All over the world, number of corona patients are increasing and every one of us is trying to remain fit and healthy. Then what is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. Having a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. This social well-beingness is nothing but the social health. Human being is a social animal. He never likes to stay alone. He is living in a society with his family. He communicates with his friends, relatives, neighbors. He has to communicate with all kinds of people living in a society to fulfill his basic needs. So, this social well-beingness is nothing but the social health. So, social health is commonly defined as your ability to form meaningful relationships with other people and interact in healthy, positive ways. Students, when you all first time came in school, whether you all were friends? No. But you all had communicated and interacted with each other for so many years and then became friends. This positive interaction is nothing but social health. But this social health also depends on many factors. Any of these factors get disturbed, our social health also gets affected. Now, which are the factors on which social health is depending? Just see. Education, whether the education is less or no education, financial status, rich or poor, or high standard or low standard, availability of gardens, social and physical conditions of the surrounding, social environment of the surrounding, residential area, whether it is a slum area or a society of bungalows, availability of water, availability of toilets, political conditions, that is views, availability of playgrounds, social treatment, social safety, that is security. Social treatment is behavior of other people with us. Transport facilities, that is availability of bus, trains, etc. Education and job opportunities. Satisfying our basic needs, that is food, clothing, shelter and medicines. If any of these factors gets disturbed, our social health also gets affected. So our social health is depending on all these factors. Students, just refer textbook page number 101 and mark the figure 9.1. Now, social health also gets affected by many other reasons. The first very important reason is mental stress. There is competition in all the fields. Today's world is a competitive world. Competition has increased in opportunities for education, employment and business due to increased population. Children are facing the mental stress because of these reasons, and they also face the mental stress because of nuclear family and parents staying outdoors due to job. In our society, we also see behavioral differences between girls and boys. In many families nowadays also the difference is done between boys and girls. Adolescent, that is young girls, have to unnecessarily face the problems like teasing and molestation. Girls are facing such problems because of gender inequality. It also causes mental stress on them. Nowadays, we all are facing a mental stress due to lockdown situation. When the situations will be normal, when the schools will start, and so on. To get relief from this mental stress, as well as today's young generation get addicted to various intoxicating substances such as tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs, and so on. Either because of bad company of friends or symbol of high standard living or as imitation of elders. However, such addiction leads to permanently damage of human nervous system, muscle system and heart, etc. Nicotine, the intoxicating substance which is present in tobacco, causes cancer of mouth and lungs. Due to addiction, person has to face the social, mental and familial illness along with physical illness. So this addiction also affects the social health. Just now observe this picture, figure 9.4. Sometimes old age people in our society or people who are having incurable diseases such as TB, leprosy, AIDS get bad treatment from the society. These people are ignored by their family members too, and this also affects the social health. Now students, just observe this picture, figure 9.5. Here they have shown two contradictory situations. In the first situation, they have shown the year 1998. Refer the textbook for it. And in the second situation, they have shown the figure, that is picture from 2017. In the first picture, it has shown that children were more on ground and parents had to forcibly call them in the houses for studies. In second picture, it has shown that children spend more time in houses on TV, computer or mobile, and forcibly parents have to push them out for playing. So students, today's modern technology, that is mobile phones, computers, has brought the people in the world so much closer. But at the same time, because of excessive use of social media, people, especially small children, are spending more time in front of the screen. This is also a sort of addiction and leads to endangering of the social health. Just observe this picture. The social media, how it has affected the communication. Various physical problems like tiredness, headache, insomnia, forgetfulness, joint pain and problems in vision may arise due to radiation of cell phones. These radiations penetrate easily the bones of children. Person continuously using the computer and internet become introvert, that is less talking, self-centered, selfish, and cannot develop harmonious relations with family members and relatives. This also affects the social health. So these are some negative effects of social media. Children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the character of those films. Tendency and behavior of the children who play games like PUBG and car races on mobiles gradually become violent and negative. This also causes economic losses, to lose concentration on studies, and may also prove fatal, that is dangerous. So these factors also affect the social health. Nowadays there is a fashion of taking selfies. From your textbook, just observe the picture 9.7. The person is taking the selfie on the road, which is dangerous. You all must be also taking selfies with your friends, but there should not be addiction of taking selfies. Person indulging in selfies is not aware of the world around, and the risk goes on increasing. This is called as selficide. There is increase in news of deaths by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valleys or under the trains during catching the cell phone selfies. Now just observe the picture 9.8. People who are on the road, that is pedestrians, are busy in making a video clip of accident instead of helping the injured ones. Mentality of the people has been changed a lot due to excessive use of social media. Hence, make the constructive use of communication media like television, phone and internet for essential needs and some entertainment only, but not to spend hours with those media. Now just observe this picture. Children, you all know that nowadays we all are doing online shopping. We are paying bills online, we are recharging our mobile phones online. For all these things we are doing online payments. But all is such online payment is secure one? Just observe the picture. Many of the times when we are using our debit cards and credit cards on the laptop, the PIN number get asked by the computer. We have not to disclose our PIN number to anyone. Banks also give such instructions to us. We have to change the passwords of our email accounts on time to time, because nowadays such confidential information is taken by some people on the internet, and those people are known as hackers. So do not disclose your PIN to anyone while withdrawing cash from ATM machine or purchasing through card payment. When we are doing the transactions online, we have not to disclose to any fake mails. The confidential information which is there about the government institutes and companies is obtained from internet with the help of computer programs or other ideas are misused. This is nothing but known as hacking of information. Nowadays, crimes like opening a fake account on Facebook and displaying false information and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially has been increased. Nowadays, even misuse or illegal sale of the written literature, software, photos, videos, music of others by obtaining from internet, that is piracy, has also increased. Many of the times any new movie before reaching to the cinema halls, it gets leaked on internet. This is nothing but piracy. So all such crimes are increasing nowadays, and all these crimes are known as cyber crimes. By our government, a special unit has been launched to observe these cyber crimes, and that unit is known as Cyber Crime Unit. Now here there are various types of cyber crimes: hacking, child pornography, denial of service attack, virus dissemination, computer vandalism, cyber terrorism, software piracy. How to report a cyber crime in India? As I told you students, Cyber Crime Unit has been newly launched in Police Department. Cyber crime experts collect the details, investigate the cyber crime, and thereby find the criminal with the help of internet. In India, some laws are also enacted by the government. These laws are known as cyber laws. IT Act 2000, that is Information Technology Act 2000, as well as its amendment Act 2008 has been launched for the punishment for the cyber crimes. Punishments like imprisonment for 3 years or fine up to 5 lakhs are done. So these are the cyber crimes which are increasing nowadays in our India, which also affects our social health. So students, not to disclose our ATM pin to anyone. We have to change the ATM pin, email account passwords on time to time. Not to keep the passwords same for so many years. Not to tell our debit card or credit card information to anyone. All these things we have to keep in mind when we are doing online transactions. Now students, by all these things we are getting the stress. Then how this stress can be released in an easy way? Stress can be released by stress management. We can have a sleep well. We can tackle the problem by communicating with the family members, with the friends. We can have any hobby. By the exercise, our stress get released. Eat healthy food. Have the meditation and relaxation. Go for a vacation. All these are the tips for stress management. Have you seen the loudly laughing citizens in morning in public gardens? These people who are laughing loudly in the public garden are from the laughter club. These people relieve their mental stress by laughing loudly. So, friends, there are various ways of releasing the stress. We can communicate with the friends, we can communicate with the teachers, with the parents, and so on. We can have the various hobbies which like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, and so on. So, stress can be released by having all such hobbies. Learning and listening to the music, singing keeps us happy and drives away the stress. Music has the power of changing the mindset. Our outdoor games are also important for releasing the stress. Not to spend more time on the mobile phone can also release your stress. There are many organizations which are set up by the government, that is Unified Movement Against Tobacco. Just refer the textbook page 107. Salam Mumbai Foundation, and there are many more government schemes by which we can contact the counselors who can help us for getting free from any addiction, to release the stress, and so on. So, our world is a global village, and unless and until we communicate with each other, we interact with each other, our social health cannot get improved. So, our communication and interaction with each other is very important. So, students, just remember that you all must have a positive interaction with each other. When we behave in a society, we have to behave in a disciplined way. Hope you all have understood the lesson very well. Hope you fly high on your dreams. This is your very important year in your life. Standard 10th. Let the sky be your limit. Thank you.